Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to empty the trash in Gmail. Emptying your trash permanently deletes emails that you no longer need and can help keep your mailbox organized. So let's get started. First, open Gmail on your computer. If you haven't already, sign in to your Google account. Next, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. If you don't see Trash, click More to expand the list of folders. Then click Trash. You'll now see all the emails that are currently in your trash folder. At the top of the page, click Empty Trash Now. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to permanently delete all messages in the trash folder. Click OK to confirm. Gmail will permanently delete all emails in the trash folder. Keep in mind that once the trash is emptied, these emails can't be recovered. You can also delete individual emails by opening the trash folder, selecting the messages you want to remove, and clicking Delete Forever. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to empty the trash in Gmail. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tips, Google Workspace tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.